Alright, what's up guys? We're here again with a knife review this time. So it's going to be one of the first knife reviews I do, so bear with me. But I got the Reate knives, however you want to say that. Exo-K. Focus in here. Exo-K. Flipper knife. Oh, it's not a flipper knife. It's a Karambit knife here. The handle's aluminum and ceramic coated tan, and the blade is a N690 stone washed finish. And I'll open it up and show you. I did do an unboxing video of it. There's the sticker. There's a certificate of authenticity, gives you all the information on it. It says Loctite button lock, handle aluminum ceramic coated tan, blade is a Bowler N690 stone washed. Open length is 6.7 inches, closed length is 4.5 inches, blade length is 3 inches, and the blade thickness is 0.15 inches. Designed by Exoskeleton, it was manufactured, and it gives you the date and everything. It's a cool little card. Comes with a microfiber cloth. Then you open up the box, and inside you get your two pieces here. This one being your trainer, and this one being your actual knife. So we'll take out the trainer here and take a step back. So this is a Karambit, fully open. It is going to look like this, but this is the trainer knife, so you don't cut yourself. It's a dull blade, can't hurt yourself. So basically, you could hold it. It does have a pocket clip on it, so it can carry in your pocket. A couple different ways you could carry this, use this. For me, I like to put my ring finger through here, so I'm holding the knife like this. Then you flip it up, you kind of just hit the button and you flip it up and out like that, and there's your knife. And then to close it, you just flip it back like that. Again, it's going to be flipped out like that, and then you're holding it like this, Karambit like that. That's how I like to hold it. You can change it how you want to hold it. But that's the trainer. Then if you get out the actual knife, let me put the trainer back in here real quick. This is the actual knife. It's a little bit, actually, you know what? I think the regular knife's a little bit lighter. Give me 1 second, let me grab my scale. Alright, so I weighed them, and the trainer actually comes in at 3.8 ounces. And the regular knife actually comes in at 4.5, but I don't know why the trainer actually felt a lot lighter than that. I'm going to put the trainer back in here. Whoops, I put it on the wrong side. Put the trainer back in the box here. If I can remember what the heck I'm doing here. Anyways, so there's your regular knife. It's going to be the same thing. I like to hold it like that because it's going to give me the most action to flip it. So same thing, you push a button and you're going to flip it up and then out like that. And there you go, like that. So again, that is, oops, it's going to be flipped up and out, and it's going to lock in. Then you got your Karambit knife. It is only sharp on this side. This side does not have an edge. But you can hold it like this, like I like to do, and if you want to, you can hold it like that. Put your pinky in there, you can use it. You can put your rest of your thumb on there, use it to slice with. But I found that a little harder to open it that way. I found this way is easier to open it. So if I push the button and close it back up, and then we're gonna do like this, flip it up and stuff like so. You push the button, up and out. Just like that. It's pretty easy to get the hang of once you figure out something that works for you. Took me a little bit, but once I figured out what worked for me, this thing is freaking sweet, and it actually works really well. And if you take it to a piece of paper, take the blade brand new out of the box, it'll slice that paper pretty easily. It's pretty sharp. It's got a nice, really big tip on it, pointy tip. I wouldn't want to get stabbed. I mean, I don't want to get stabbed by anything, but this thing is pretty sweet. That is the, and you could do it the other way too. I think you can reverse the button and the clip. You can definitely reverse the clip, but I think you can reverse the button too. That isn't tan. They do offer it in different colors. As far as pricing goes, these come in around $165, $170 if you pay for it online or pay the online retail price. Sometimes you can find it for better deals, but that's right around what they come in about. It is pretty cool because you get the trainer and the regular knife, so you get both, and you can kind of practice with it how you want to use it and get used to it without stabbing yourself, cutting yourself. Because I'll tell you right now, when I first started using this one, I was trying to do it with my pinky like this, or sorry, like, I don't remember what I was doing, like this or something like that. I'm like, okay, but the button's on like the other side. I'm like, how the hell am I gonna do this? Like, it doesn't work. So I figured for me, when I put my ring finger in there, it worked better like this. I got good with it because the first couple times I was trying to use it, I'd be flipping like that, and the tip would come in, I'd hit myself in the gut, or I'd hit my arm, and I would have been beaten and battered from it. So all about training with it, figuring out how you like it. I do have an unboxing video of this that really shows zoomed in on everything that comes with it, but that is the Exo-K. Like I said, it's a pretty durable knife. I actually like it a lot. It's the first kind of real pricey Karambit I've got. I've got a couple others and a couple coming. So yeah, that's my quick little review of the Reate, or Reat, I don't really know how to say it. Exo-K, because I really like this knife, but I figured I'd kind of get it out there for anybody that has seen videos, hasn't really seen much on them. I'm not gonna like torture test it or whatever right now, because I spent a lot of money on it and I don't really want to ruin it. But that is the Exo-K, and it is seems like a pretty durable knife, and it might be something I end up keeping like in a bug out bag or upstairs in my closet or something like that, next to the bed or in the car, because it does seem pretty durable. I mean, that ceramic coating is going to last a long time, because that's a really, really good coating. I've heard a lot of people like ceramic coating on firearms better than they do like what do you call it, some of the other coatings, like a nitride coating or a whatever you're going to get. I've heard they like the ceramic better, so that's what this is coated with. So go check these out. That's what this is, and have a good one.